folks. It's me again. It's windy out, and apparently it's March, whatever. I don't know what the hell day in March it is, but it's snowing out. And before you do anything, click like, blah, 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 click all the stuff at yourself and do whatever. Weekly, what's new? What's new? Nothing this week. Absolutely nothing. I haven't done nothing. I'm just working on the house, doing stuff. So the channel's kind of, still got some videos to upload, but I still, channel's dead for a few days. Well, channel's not dead. I'm just haven't made any videos in about a week. But I do plan on making more. I'm just busy doing stuff. It's the end of right now. It's the mid to end March. The weather's getting nice. I got to pull this thing out of here. Same stuff as last week. I pulled the bike out. Want to finish the sandblasting. I want to do a couple of sandblasting videos. See if I get the air vent working. I have the where is it? The cyclone air sucking thing, cyclone thing for the sandblaster. If I get a free night, I'll take a snap picture of my shed, show you where that is. And other than that, not a hell of a lot. Just trying to enjoy the nice weather. I'm almost done electrical work on the house. Next it'll be plumbing and finishing work. Then I'll be able to move in. And what was I gonna do? Probably be able to move in and do more work on when shit breaks. So. Da-dee-da-dee-da. Anyway, I hope if anybody has any suggestions, you want to see anything in here, just send me a message, whatever. You want me to do a video on something, whatever. Somebody asked me about something, but I can't remember. I have to go back in the comments. Apparently, I have 1,785 subscribers, or 84, 85, whatever the hell. Probably one was probably a bot. If you're one of my latest subscribers, thanks for subscribing. I appreciate it. I'm just a small fry with who needs more watch hours. So if you can watch cool videos, leave them play in the background. What you got to do? Just to help me have. I think you need 4,000 watch hours to be monetized. My goal isn't really to be like monetized, but it'd be nice to make enough for a pizza. That's my goal. If I get monetized in the last year and I make money for a pizza, I'll be happy. I like to buy a pizza. Anyway, with that said, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click all the buttons, like, subscribe, send it to your friends, whatever. Tell your buddies that I have a weird channel. Thanks for watching. Toodles.